Just so I make a noise, I can hear me. It's hot.
Are you going somewhere?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real nice. Sorry, I went in with my
Killing it.
It's gonna be real pretty. That's gonna be real nice. Keep in mind, anytime where you place your brush first, it will have the most product, just because that's the first place to touch. Like, I don't know why, but it's always gonna be more pigmented where you first place your brush. That's why I always go outward in. Because, of course, everybody wants their outside really pigmented. Let's go blend that in. And I want to keep this more down. So this down here. Now I'm going to go back in with that this is a real fluffy brush. I think this is a BH Cosmetic brush. One of my first, like, eyeshadow brushes. I'm going to go back in there with my transition color just to give it a more, you know, a little bit more pigmentation up above. Because I like to have that, like it's a fade from color to color to color. So I'm just going back in with the same color I showed you. And even with that, I start outward. And just in case, because it's always good, like, if you mess up, it look like it's supposed to be in right there. Like, it's easier to fix it when you place it on the outside if it's too much pigmentation versus if it's in the middle. Because then if it's in the middle, you got to put it like that on the other side. Because what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Just like in math class. The shade right beside this brown that I was using, I'm going to go in with this shade. And it's more like a maroon a little bit, but that's okay. Because we're just going to use it for that deep color right there. And that's literally what we're going to do with it. We're just going to put it right there. Might blend it out a little bit, but you don't want to take it. Kids can't let you have a piece of mom for nothing. This is what relaxed me. My child can't even let me have that. That's fine. And if anything, just brush in. And see, I'm not liking, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like dividing right here where my crease of my eye is, and I hate it. So I will continue to add. Use. I'm going to use that same brush. Well, this is the brush I did my eyebrows with. I'm going to use the same one because it's a rounded, small head. And I'm just, alright, I never did a cut crease, so me and you doing this together for the first time, okay? I'm just going to start down here because I didn't feel comfortable going in just like, let me make a line. I get a little closer person with this. feel like just because I didn't set it yet, I gotta keep my eye open. Test it to act right before I put that shadow on there. And then you just want to do some more blending, but I'm going to go ahead and put that color on there. And the color I'm going to be using is all out all night. I really, ooh, wait, baby, wait, ooh, no, hold up. I just put a little too much water on it, that's all. Back in there, I'm going to deepen that up. And then you're going to blend those edges. Now, when you do a cut crease, you don't want to blend the edges too much because that's kind of the point of a cut crease. But you do want to make sure it's nice and blended together. I didn't intend for this look to be so absurd, but whatever. You gotta just go with the flow sometimes. Just clean up a little bit. You can hear how clumsy I am, or it can be. Just gonna take my clean, wet, damp beauty blender and just pounce it on my face. Now, this is really light for me, but believe it or not, this is the darkest shade they had. I think this is the darkest it come in. So Maybelline. I'm ready for you to step your game up, honey.
Mommy, my dad's saying.
Huh? To make it my shade. But I said it could be. Sorry, I need like all down. And then I'm gonna use the powder. That's okay. Because that's when you just use it for the whole head. The whole forehead. I can't talk as usual. The 3 contour brush, or at least what I use it to contour with. I'm gonna swirl that in there, tap off the excess. And I'm gonna go back in because I don't know how, but I feel like I messed up my eyes. Gold Deposit by MAC. I'm gonna actually spray my brush and wet it a little bit. Swirl it in there and zap it on my cheeks like that. Like, yes. Honey, come through. Mm-hmm. And I don't do much of a nose contour, but I'm feeling a little beat today. So I'm just going to take a bigger brush, a bigger like shadow type brush. I'm just going to go on the same stuff that I did my cheek color. I don't know. Maybe a little slimmer. And then I just rub and try to blend it out a little bit. With this. And then I'm going to put on some falsies. Cork lip liner by MAC. Nude. So and this is the birthday suit one from her birthday collection of 2017. MAC Vampily and the color Go For Pretty. So just take any brush, go back in the highlight of your choice. I usually use the one I use on my face for my brow light, unless I'm going for like a stark white brow light. And I just highlight under the tailbone of the brow. You guys,